Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open a specific page or set of pages on Opera GX startup in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the left corner and select Settings in the drop-down menu. Under Opera GX Settings, select Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one on a startup section. Here, select this one option. Open a specific page or set of pages. Under this, click on Add a new page link. Then type your address. Click on this one Add button to add more pages. Again, click on this one Add a new page link. Now type different web page address. Then click on this one Add button. Similarly, in case you want to add more pages, again click on this one Add a page link and add a more web page. After that, close the Opera GX browser and reopen it. It will automatically open those pages that you have specified in Opera settings on a startup. As you can see on the my screen, the both web pages has been loaded in my Opera GX browser. Like this, you can set any web page to open with a startup on your Opera GX web browser.